Okay, okay. Instantly, I feel like I've gone to somewhere exotic and fabulous.
Right?
I instantly went on vacation coming next to these gorgeous plants. Now, this is a 3-piece Island Series Daylily bare root plant. $32.98 is your price. Another perennial. And they have these deep red colors with the gold on the center, right, with the red, and then you have the pink with the gold in the center, the almost, what would you say, like an orangey, peachy tone as well.
And
so
you get 3 different colors. Well, the images show them really well. You can see that we were looking earlier. If we can go back to that very first image that shows the first color in the selection, we'll get to go through those colors. But I love what you said. You feel like you're on vacation, you know, with these daylilies. That's not something that you always feel with a daylily, because most normal daylilies are kind of a blasé yellow or orange, but our daylilies are designer daylilies. The first color in the collection that you're going to get is called the Jekyll Island. And look at this flower. This is just, it's so gorgeous. It's like a mauve petal with that rich canary yellow center, and then it has that lovely fringing of the gold all the way around. And there you can see them in the garden, how gorgeous these plants are. Beautiful. Now, Melissa, do you know anything about daylilies?
I don't.
Not much.
Nope.
Well, that's okay. Daylilies are actually the most popular perennial in America.
Oh, wow.
Because they're so darn easy. Everyone can grow them. You can grow them on the sides of the roads. You can grow them in the medians of the highways, and they still will do well with 0 maintenance. But the average daylily does not look like this. The average daylily looks yellow or orange and gives you a couple weeks of flowers. But here you can see the second color in our collection, the Wausau Island, and it has these vibrant island colors. This is like a coral color, and the blooms are like 6 to 7 inches across. And all 3 varieties in this collection are considered re-blooming daylilies. Oh, here's the third color, the Sapelo Island. 6 to 7 inches across in that vibrant carmine red with kind of like a lemony lime center. They're so gorgeous. You can see them from a mile away. And that's really what sets our daylilies apart. You have better colors, you have flowers that are bigger, you have more flowers. Oh yeah, look at them, all 3 side by side. Those are the 3 different colors of daylilies in this collection.
They look like pieces of artwork, like someone came and painted all of those colors. It's amazing.
They're superb hybrids. We actually work with breeders, growers, out off the coast of Amsterdam, a secret island where we visit every year, and we go pick out our very favorite ones. And you know, these daylilies, you just won't find them in American garden centers. You won't find them online anywhere else. If you did find them, they would be like 2 or 3 times as expensive as what we have here today.
Wow.
So that's really the value that comes from us having relationships with these breeders for 30 years. It's really incredible.
That's great. Now this is coming to you as 3 bare root plants. And this is what you're getting. I love that you're getting all 3.
Yeah.
So you don't have to choose.
No. The only thing you do have to choose is how many collections you want to get, because these plants are just so incredible when you consider that. I don't think I can do this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. My brother could probably do it. This one bare root is going to grow into a plant that looks like this, which is really awesome, because as a daylily, these are re-bloomers, which means you can expect flowers like this for 3 to 4 months over the entire summer. A typical daylily will give you maybe 2 to 3 weeks. That's truly the Roberta's difference.
It's amazing. As you tell me these things, I feel like when you don't know about it, you kind of take it for granted. You see beautiful flowers and you're like, wow, they're so pretty. And you always think they're just gonna be there. But like some of these are 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then they're gone.
That's it.
And so this is something you can enjoy all summer long and really transform your space into somewhere just really special. Like I said, tropical.
Absolutely, but do it easily.
Yeah.
The reason why America loves the daylily is because they handle the sun, you know, they handle the heat, the drought, the intense cold winters. They don't care. But the average daylily is just so boring. Our daylilies, look, if you imagine if you can get 4 or 5 collections, plant them at the edge of the, you know, along the roadside where the hose doesn't reach. Plant them in the rocky soils. Plant them in that intense red clay. Plant them in the worst areas where you can't get anything else to grow. transform those ugly areas into beauty with flowers like that.
I feel like when you
It's
have these in your
incredible.
garden, or like we saw in the front of the house, you look like a professional. You look like you know what you're doing.
Well, that is the benefit of gardening with us at Roberta's, because we have forged these relationships so we can bring you guys the coolest stuff at such an awesome value. You know, if you were to find that Jekyll elsewhere, like one of the roots would be like 30 bucks.
Wow.
But here you're getting 3 for that. For this value, it's really unheard of, and that's what, you know, what we do so well is we bring the very best kinds of plants that you are familiar with at a value that is approachable.
Truly, and these are deer resistant, drought tolerant. Again, those really
Super winter
bold,
hardy.
beautiful flowers. $32.98 is your
Yeah.
price. You're getting this 3-piece Island Series Daylilies. You're getting 3 bare root plants. This ships to you for free, $10.99 if you choose Easy Pay. I love Easy Pay because it allows me to really stock up on the things that I need.
Totally.
And then it just gives you more bite-sized payments. So this would be a moment to think of all those places that Devin was talking about, and just order it now, because when we miss out, like when we sell out for the season, that's it until
You know,
maybe
when
next year, who knows?
When
right?
it comes to gardening, plants are slow, so the more that you can get in the ground, the sooner. That's going to benefit you so much in the long run. So if you're able to get 5 or 6 of these collections, and they will just pay off in, you know, 10 times over the course of, you know, the decades that you will be enjoying these flowers.
They're stunning. 800-500-7590 is the number to call to get some of those in your garden.